Welcome to Central Alabama Business Break.
Good morning. Joining us this morning is Joseph Fincher with AFS. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
We're going to jump right in. Talk to us a little bit about AFS.
So AFS, we are the largest foundation waterproofing company in the Southeast, and we specialize in doing foundation waterproofing work in Alabama, Georgia, and Tennessee.
Okay, so what would you say makes your company unique? What would a customer not get if they go somewhere else?
So what's unique about us is that we are a large company, but we're operated like a small business. We have, the owners are Ben and Rachel Bayless. They own the entire company, and you get a small business feel dealing with the large company that we have a lot of different options on how we can serve you.
Okay, so that local personal touch is
Absolutely.
definitely important. Now let's talk about how dry weather can affect your foundation.
Absolutely, and the best way to explain it is that our soil here is similar to like a sponge. When it gets really wet, it swells up really big. But in a drought condition, similar to what we're having now, is it shrinks down really small. And what that does is that can make existing foundation issues worse, and it can actually make foundations that don't yet have any problems, it can start causing foundation issues there.
Okay, that makes sense. So of course you are a foundation and waterproofing specialist. Why is that important for people to call you for those specialties?
It's really important because that's all we do. We specialize in that, and we put all of our focus and all of our energy and resources into being the best at foundation and waterproofing. And that's important that we do that so we can stay ahead of the curve and keep the best technology and solutions for our customers.
Okay, well thank you so much for joining us. Again, this is AFS inviting you to give them a call. The number's on your screen. You could also Google their business and find out more information, but they are ready and willing to serve you today.